So pouring things with this one's got a no lemonade citrus base, with a little bit of sweetener in there. We have the blue raspberry. You can't have a lagoon without fish. There you go.
That's how we do it. That's how
Thank
we
you,
do
sir.
it. So, as you see, everything is what. Yes, sir. Everything is set up right. Right. Let's try that.
Extend. Perfect for a hot day. Huh?
Oh yeah. That's it right there. So you know, they can hook up non-alcoholic if you want that. So you know, make sure you check them out. They're not playing. Taking it real serious. Oh yeah.
Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champions Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.